Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make flowers from plastic bottles. First, ensure your plastic bottle is clean and dry. You'll need a pair of sharp scissors and a permanent marker. Carefully remove any labels from the bottle. Then, using your scissors, cut off the bottom section, approximately 5 inches from the base. This will be the main part of your flower, so make a clean, even cut. Now, let's give our flower its distinct petal shape. From the top edge of your cut bottle section, make 6 to 8 vertical cuts. These cuts should extend inward about 2.5 inches, forming individual strips. Next, carefully round off the corners of each strip. This transforms the straight edges into soft, natural-looking petals, giving your flower a beautiful, organic appearance. To bring your flower to life, gently bend each petal outwards. This simple step adds a lovely three-dimensional quality, making your flower appear more realistic. Now, it's time for color. Use acrylic paints or permanent markers to decorate your petals. You can choose bright, bold hues or soft pastels. For a finishing touch, glue a small plastic cap or a decorative bead in the center. Once you've added all your creative touches, ensure that any paint or glue is completely dry. This usually takes about 1 hour. If you wish to create a bouquet or hang your flower, you can attach a thin wire or a piece of string to the base. Your beautiful, handmade plastic bottle flower is now ready to be displayed. It's a wonderful way to repurpose materials and add a unique touch to any space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.